Many different paving patterns can be made using these paving stones. Here are two examples of a 3x3 pattern. Which of these patterns is not possible? Is it a 2x3 pattern using just rectangles, a 3x3 pattern using 2 large squares and 1 small square, a 3x4 pattern using just 2 large squares and 2 rectangles, or a 3x3 pattern using 1 small square, 1 large square, and 2 rectangles? Let's start by drawing each of these out and seeing if they're actually possible. So what we want to make is a 3x3 pattern. Let's start by trying D. We want to make a 3x3 pattern that has 1 small square, 1 large square, and 2 rectangles. Let's draw our grid out first. Bang, that's a 3x3 grid. And let's start coloring in where our shapes would go. First of all, let's draw this big dark grey rectangle square here. Let's say we put it here. Okay, that's our big rectangle. Now I have 1 small square left and 2 rectangles to also place in. So 2 rectangles we could place as follows. And then we could have our 1 small square, which we'll put probably here. There we go. So this shows that D can actually be done. So D cannot be our answer here, because D is actually possible. Now let's try C. Or maybe B actually. We'll try B. A 3x3 pattern using 2 large squares and 1 small square. Let's do that. We have 1 large square. Now as we try to put our other large square, there's no other way we can place it without it overlapping. So, let's see. This means that B is actually impossible. We can't get 2 large pavers to fit into a 3x3 shape. So, our answer here has to be B. B is the one which is not possible.